Hey Forsyth, welcome back to the Prowler, where we keep up with the news so you don't have to.
Boys basketball has been hard at work with districts coming up, and Baking Club has been cooking up a storm. Let's start with the pace to see exactly what Baking Club is up to.
Thanks, Ben. Baking Club has begun their journey this year with meetings and special projects in the making. Let's check in with Abby to get more details.
Thanks, guys. I'm here with Trenton, a member of the Forsyth Baking Club. Okay, so how was your day?
It was pretty good.
That's great. Okay, so I know that you guys get called out a lot during 8th hour. What do you guys do?
We bake stuff and just bake stuff in the baking club.
Okay, why did you join Baking Club?
I like eating food. I like making food. So I just joined.
What's your favorite thing that you've made?
Melting down chocolate and dipping stuff.
Thank you so much. Back to you guys.
Thanks, Abby, and great job, Baking Club.
Boys basketball has had a great season. However, districts are right around the corner. Let's get more info on that with Chase.
Thanks, Carly. The basketball boys have been hard at work practicing for the first round of districts next week. Let's dive deeper with Camden.
Thanks, guys. I'm here with Griffin, a sophomore on the basketball team. How are you today?
I'm good.
Good to hear. I have a couple questions for you today. My first question is, how does the season going for you?
It's been going good. We've been winning a lot of our games, and I've been getting a good record.
That's great to hear. How do you think districts will go for you?
I think we have a pretty good chance. Just see how far we can make it.
Yeah, I think so too. I heard you got your first dunk last week. Can you take me through how you were feeling and what was kind of going on?
Yeah, it was pretty cool. Just got a fast break off a steal. Saw the opportunity.
Right, just some light work. Thanks, guys. Back to you.
Thanks, Cam. Show up to support your Panthers, and good luck, boys.
This week, Peyton, Liz, and Bea have a sporadic new segment for us. Let's go check it out.
What's up, guys? Today I'm here with Liz and Bea, and we're going to have Bea type Italian sentences, but there's a catch. They're Valentine's Day pickup lines. So let's get it. Andiamo.
Weird. Oh, okay. Andiamo prendere un caffè una dei questa giorni.
Andiamo a prendere un caffè uno di questi giorni.
What does that mean?
Should we go for a coffee one of the
We should go for coffee.
Yeah.
Sei molto bella oggi.
Sei molto bella oggi.
Bella oggi. Yeah.
You are very awesome today.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Gracias. So it's sei molto dolce. Is that right?
Sei molto dolce.
Molto
It's
dolce.
You're so sweet.
Yeah. Well, thank you. I appreciate that.
Okay, this is the first one.
Ooh, that's tough. Okay. I tuoi oti sono com l'oceano vorrei poter nuotare li ogni giorno. That was hard.
I tuoi occhi sono come l'oceano, vorrei poter nuotare lì ogni giorno.
What did she just say? Wow, that was good. So it actually reads this.
Yeah.
So your eyes are like the ocean. I wish I could swim there every day.
Yeah. Good job, Bea.
Ciao.
Well, that's all the time we have for this episode. See you next week. And remember, Forsyth,
Stay classy, not trashy.
That's my favorite part of it. I'm here with Lizzie and Bea, and today we're going to